Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Wednesday, December 21, 2022. This is the last daily IQ of the year. I will be back on January 2nd to start the year of 2023, but this is the last one for this year. And in today's daily IQ, we'll be looking at a consolidation pattern or a range compression pattern. It's probably a better way to put it. We had a narrow range, a 7-day yesterday, and that's what we'll be looking at this morning. I've got all four instruments. The setup's based upon entering long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, currently, the overnight session has pushed higher. We're still holding higher, and I'm going to add that to the test by going to the gap direction and clicking on gap up. The next thing I'm going to do is go to the price patterns library, and I'm going to go to the active today. On the range of last session, underneath that, I'm going to click on NR7, which means yesterday's range, which is measured from the high to the low of yesterday's trading session, was the smallest range of the past 7. So yesterday had 44.25 points of range in the S&P futures. That means that was the smallest range of the past 7 days of trading. All right, last is the indicators library. I'm going to put us below a 10 and below a 200, and then click view results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time, when you are gapping up and the prior day was an NR7 in a weak market environment. Historically, we have 36 samples here in the S&P dating back to 2003. For the NASDAQ, we've got 44 samples, 41 in the Dow, 56 in the Russell. If we look at the win rates, you'll notice that they are skewed towards the upside on 3 of the 4. The S&P is coming in at 75% of these have closed above the opening print. For the NASDAQ, it's just 52%. For the Dow, 61%. And for the Russell, 68%. If we look at the average moves, very similar in size for the S&P. For the NASDAQ, the loss is larger on average. For the Dow, the average win is larger than the average loss. And the Russell is very similar in size. So we're mixed on the average moves, but the win rates on 3 of the 4 of them are skewed towards the upside, with the S&P being the strongest at 75% of the 36 samples closing above the opening print for the session. Hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today, and we will see you in January.